Hello viewers and subscribers as well as my dear friends. Welcome all of you in Alka's Botany channel. Today we are going to learn cotton, an important fiber yielding plant. I am Dr. Alka Inamdar in Alka's Botany channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Now, what is meant by fibers or what are the fibers? Fiber yielding plants rank second to food plants in their utility to man. The utilization of fibers is directly related to the advancement of civilization. Botanically, fibers are specialized, elongated, narrow and dignified sclerenchymatous cells with pointed or blunt ends. The fibers are abundantly found in pericycle, phloem or even cortex of the various plants. Now we come up to the botanical name of the cotton. Botanical name is Gossypium species, family Malvaceae. Common English name is cotton. Common vernacular name is kapus or kapas. And source of fiber seeds, that is surface of seed coat, is along with the fibers. Origin and distribution of cotton. Two species from the old world, that is Gossypium arboreum and Gossypium herbaceum, originated in Africa. And two species of the new world, that is Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium barbadens, which are originated in America, especially in Brazil. Gossypium arboreum and Gossypium herbaceum, that means these are old world species, are the diploid species and indigenous in Asia and Africa. Whereas Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium barbadens are the tetraploid species from New World. Now we come up to the origin and distribution of cotton. In India, cotton varieties used for cultivation are majoritarily three species, namely Gossypium arboreum, Gossypium herbaceum and Gossypium hirsutum. Whereas the fourth one species, Gossypium barbadens, is nowhere cultivated on commercial scale in India. Gossypium arboreum is supposed to be indigenous to India, while Gossypium herbaceum has been introduced into India from Middle East countries. In addition to these cultivated species, there are many wild varieties of cotton growing under natural conditions in India. These wild varieties are used for hybridization using cultivated variety for the improvement of plant and fiber characteristics. In India, cotton is a crop of drier parts of India. The best example in Maharashtra, in Marathwada, cotton is cultivated in the large scale. It is cultivated in many states, and the important states are Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. It is mainly cultivated as a kharif crop. The flowering and fruiting generally starts about 2.5 months from sowing the seeds and continues for about 8 to 12 weeks. Ripe cotton is collected periodically, so cotton is considered as a cash crop in our area. Now we come up to the morphology of the plant. Plant body is a perennial woody shrub reaching a height of about 9 feet. Stem thick and rigid. Young twigs are hairy. Leaves are lobed, stipulated as well as long petiolate. Flowers are axillary and yellow in color. Capsule balls, these are long, tapering, shiny, dark green with oil glands. And these are rounded as well as beaked. Fruits are 3 to 5 locules and 5 to 8 seeds are present in each locule. Seeds with 2 layers of hairs, long lint fibers and short fuzz fibers. Now we come up to the last part of that video, that is the economic importance of cotton. Cotton is important cash crop in India and it gives three important commercial products in the form of fibers, food that is edible oil and cattle feed. The cotton fiber is an important textile fiber and it is mainly used for manufacture for different types of fabrics or cloth. Cotton provides one of the basic raw materials of cellulose industries, including plastic, rayon, and explosives. Sterilized absorbent cotton is used in medical and surgical practices. Unspun cotton is used for preparing mattresses, pads, and upholsteries. Cotton waste, a byproduct of spinning and weaving mills, is used in making cotton blankets, sheets, towels, and cotton flannel. Cotton is used in making industrial articles like bags, belts, industrial threads, tents, insulation, and tarpaulins and cellulose. High quality of cotton is used in making paper cellophane. Cotton seed oil is an important edible vegetable oil used for cooking purpose. Cotton cakes are used as a cattle and poultry feed and fertilizer for cash crop also. High quality cotton fibers are used for making chromatography paper. Fibers in the stem of cotton plants are used for making paper pulp. So all these are economic importance of cotton. Thank you. Thank you very much.